Can you say Fjaðrárgljúfur? Try to do it 10 times in a row as fast as you can. But what is it? It is this canyon over here. Some people actually like to piss us off by calling this the Justin Bieber Canyon. It's called Fjaðrárgljúfur, not the Justin Bieber Canyon. And what's more, he came here doing his music video, and well, he did everything what you're not supposed to do, you know. He did not only come here, he went on Eldtrain, which is a lava field covered with moss, and he was disturbing all the moss, and you know, that's something you don't do. He went to the airplane rack and he, you know, did skateboarded on top of that, and he went off bounds in these areas here. Not to say that I've never done something like that, but if you do it in a music video, being like a Justin Bieber, you know, which every 5-year-old girl in the world is in love with you, you're gonna create some problems. Look at that. It's amazing. So, and also, he's kind of giving credit for this place's popularity. Sure, he contributed some, but no, it's not his doing. And there was actually in the world news not long ago that this place was actually closed because his video created so much traffic that everything here had gone to shit. Well, the increased traffic did kind of, well, it shows. You can see this here. It does show. But was it because of him? I don't think so. So I hope you enjoyed my little video about the Justin Bieber Canyon. Fjaðrárgljúfur. Thank you for watching. Bye.